The Citizens Action for Improved Water and Sanitation project has been a 6-year project implemented in Uganda by UWASNET with the support of CSOs and the Danish People's Aid. The main objective of the program is to strengthen WASH systems by specifically looking at the block that's strengthening governance and accountability. And we do this through administering a scorecard, by empowering, building the capacity of our members, civil society organizations, and altogether for the last 6 years, we've empowered more than 50. We've built the capacity of more than 50 civil society organizations in 5 districts of Luweero, Nakaseke, Mukono, Wakiso, and Kampala in Nakawa division. We've been providing an interface between the civil society organizations, the communities, and the district local governments to share the findings of the scorecard and trigger action.
The power of the scorecard is such that it collects information and we get real evidence, in that even when we meet key stakeholders, we just present this evidence and it can be based upon for improving whatever situation there is in the community.
We use some of this information to do the lobbying to different stakeholders, and one of the lobbying we did was to the Ministry of Water and Environment, where we managed to succeed with winning a project which was a mini solar pipe water supply system supplying the 3 villages.
The scorecard has always been our guide because it details the needs where we may not have reached. We have a district technical planning committee meeting where we discuss these needs. We are welcoming phase 3. And now that this other phase has wound up, we are welcoming phase 3, where we expect to expand more access to safe water to more of our communities.
Scorecard will be so useful to us as KCCA because we shall be able to know the gaps and what is needed in those communities. And when we know what our communities do, it will help us in planning for the services as per the priorities of that particular community.
Phase 3, of course, we are going to continue with administering the scorecard, but scaling up in more sub-counties in each of the 5 districts. This is mainly because of the feedback that we got from all the districts, that there is need to widen the scope to get more data that is representative of the district statistics. We also want to make sure that we bring on board urban water and sanitation indicators, which has been lacking. We also want to make sure that incorporate indicators that cater for youth and women participation, mainstreaming climate resilient. Lastly, we want to foster collaboration, coordination between the civil society organizations and government at national and also at local level.